One.
Welcome to Blood Eoweth. This Celtic legend appears as a sphere, as many do in the exhibition, but within the sphere is something special. And the name obviously alludes to a creature, but originally this creature was created as a partner, a female partner to Lle, and was created by the magician Gwydion. So Gwydion created her from the flowers of the oak tree, meadowsweet and broom. And we've taken the meadowsweet flowers and I've made many of them in flat, pierced them all out, and you can see inside that there's 2, 3, 5, 8 different sizes, again Fibonacci integers in relationship. And the reason that she's in owl form is there is because she betrayed her partner, sadly, and therefore Gwydion, very cross, turned her back into an owl. Why an owl? Because the owl is unliked by many other birds and is lonely and sad. And that is why she is in her cave, and that is why she is looking down slightly. And there's also a little golden secret in the bottom as well, which is another part of the story that I'm adding to. But welcome to Blood Eoweth, and I hope you enjoy the Celtic reference and the storytelling within.